Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Clipchamp in Windows 11. Clipchamp is a built-in video editor in Windows 11, but if you don't use it or prefer another tool, you can remove it easily using System Settings. Let Quotesa get started. First, open the search menu, type Add or Remove Programs, then click the matching result. In the search apps bar at the top, type Clipchamp. You'll see Microsoft Clipchamp appear in the list. Click the three-dot menu site next to it. Select Uninstall, then confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Wait a few moments until Clipchamp disappears from the list. Close the window, then restart your computer to complete the removal. That's it. Clipchamp has now been successfully removed from your system. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out other tutorials on our channel. See you next time.